Scott Craig. I work for Natural Designs Landscaping, and I am the horticulture manager. Been doing business with SiteOne for approximately 30 years. It has been an absolute wonderful experience. The fact that you guys provide everything that we need in our industry, from mulches, irrigations, lighting, chemicals, fertilizers, you guys just have it all. Probably I use the mobile app more for the everyday products that we use, insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, especially giving a proposal to a customer and I need to know how much a product is going to cost me. It allows me to look up a product, get my pricing, know my label rates so that I can accurately quote my customer and give my guys the information that they need to take that product out in the field and use it safely and accurately. And then also the convenience of being able to get to the label, product information. I don't have to go to any other source. I can go right to the mobile app. Before the mobile app, I was having to spend more time in the office, placing orders, making phone calls. With the mobile app, I'm out in the field doing my job, and I'm not being interrupted by that. I can simply log on, order the product that I need, and have confidence that I'll have it available. I never log out, stays open on my phone all the time, so I'm always ready to go.